guys, what's up? So it is a new year, which means it is time to declutter and get rid of products that I have not used or that are old that I plan to just toss out. So I'm showing you guys my extremely junky bathroom. This is like my day-to-day kind of makeup, that if I wear makeup to work, this is like where I would get it from. Let me find a bag so we can toss out all the stuff that we're not going to use, and then I'm just going to clean up my little caddy with some Clorox wipes. And yeah, so I figured I would just show you guys what I'm tossing out, what I'm keeping, whatnot, what have you. So let's see where we should start. I need to buy a new one of these. This is the Radiant Cover Absolute. I got this concealer from my local beauty supply store, but it's old now, so I'm going to get rid of that. Let's see, this is a NYX lip pencil and nutmeg. I don't even use that, so I don't even know why it's in it. I have a lot of freaking eyeshadow palettes. I don't need to buy anymore. Oh, I really love this highlighter from L'Oreal, but as you can see, it's old, trash. I love these Maybelline lipsticks, but let's be real, I don't wear them anymore. Trash. This blue one, I may save it just for fun, but I don't really wear that. These haven't even been opened. Crazy girl. I do like this. I think I'm gonna keep that one. So much for cleaning out, right? I'm gonna take these out of here and just wipe this down. Actually, I'm just gonna toss this because I don't wear it. Okay. So I'm just gonna clean this out. It has been a hot minute since I've cleaned this out. And truth be told, for Christmas, my parents gifted me a maid to come in and do like a deep cleaning. So I'm really excited about that because I don't really like cleaning. So that's exciting. I want to get all this stuff out of here so I can move it when they come on Friday. Alright, so just clean that out. Next is some mirror. I'll keep that. Judy Time palette, still use that. Sugar pills, still use that. I'm going to toss this random thing out. This is a Milani blush, Coral Cove. I don't really use that much, so trash. It's a pencil top. I wonder if I can put that on here. Because I use that. I'm going to take this old toothbrush out, toss that. I still use that. This is like one of my favorite lipsticks. It is Black Radiance, so I'll keep that. An old bobby pin that's too big. Some liquid black soap I don't use. Trash. Perfume, I'll keep that. That's a pretty lipstick. I will keep that. Let's just clean that off. Top to an eyedropper. Trash. Coins, we're definitely keeping those. Trying to stack some coins. This is a clear white duo eyelash glue. I don't like that, so I'm throwing that out. I like the black better. I'm actually going to keep these because I lose these things. So I'm going to keep these and put them in here. What's in there? I'll keep that. This is Smashbox Oil Primer. I've never even used that. Probably, maybe I'll hold on to it for a little bit longer. And that lipstick. They're one of those. This is just a sample. Simple perfume. I don't even wear this. This is a Too Faced Melted. I don't really like that color. It makes me look old, so I'm tossing that. MAC. I'm going to save this for my back to MAC because I clearly need to do one of these and I need to do one of these. But right now I'm not going to repurchase them, so I'll just hang on to those. Put those to the side. Super dirty. Oh, it's a Glam Caddy. Glam Caddy. Keep that. I like these. Let's put those in there. Let's put these liquid lipsticks in here. Not even any matches in there. Trash. Like some rings and earrings. J. Crew. trash. There's some soap. I really like this soap. It's a Nest soap that I got from a hotel, but I got face products. This is empty. Cover FX, trash. I like that though, but I don't know if I repurchase it again. Depends on how much it costs. I'm not really familiar with Cover FX. Okay. All right, I'm gonna put this back in there. Let's see what else is under here. Oh y'all, I love this. Kilowatt by Fenty Ginger Binge and Moscow Mule. It is absolutely gorgeous, so we're definitely keeping that. It's just another mirror. Let's see, what is this? Oh, I love this blush by Sleek. It's super old. All right, I'll just trash that. Trash. Let's see what else we got. This lipstick by Chocolicious by Revlon. I like this too, so we're gonna keep that. Some earrings, put those in there and put them in the right place. I don't even wear this anymore. It's an e.l.f. eye pigment and it's probably all dried up. So trash. I love this Tame and Frame eyebrow gel from NYX, but it's all dried up too, so trash. This is a pretty eyeshadow from MAC. I'll keep that into there. This is an Ulta lipstick. It's pretty, but I don't wear it. Trash. Bare Minerals 5-in-1. I don't think I ever even used this. It was like some sample and it's clearly dried up, so trash. Well, this is going well. Going well, guys. I hope your New Year's went well too, speaking of. I'm gonna trash this beauty blender, or fake beauty blender. And I'm just gonna put these eyeshadow palettes under here. That way, I'm looking for something, I'll know exactly where they are. Put these mirrors right here. There we go. Let's see how many palettes. And I have this, one of my friends gave me this Laura Lee palette. It's so pretty, but I just gotta figure out what kind of looks I can do with it. I'm sure I'll use it more in the spring than now. So I'll hang on to that. In the meantime, I'm gonna put that over here. Put these back under there. Put this blush, 2 blushes in there. I'm gonna do that. Let's see what else we got. Any lipsticks in here? I don't wear that. NYX, trash. Kokie, I don't wear that anymore. Trash. This is some kind of pencil that I don't wear. Trash. I use these. These are eyeliners, so we'll keep those. Bite Beauty. I have some new Bite Beauty lipsticks, or not new, but I got them for my birthday thing from Sephora. I like those. This is going in the trash. I need to wash my brushes. Oh geez, these don't even belong in here. They go in my other drawer. There. Oh, see, exactly. This is a prime example. Oops. Put that down there of how I don't have tops on my pencils. So I'm glad I kept these little things and just go in there. So I'm gonna put all the pencils on this side. And then put liquid lipsticks if they'll fit in there. Lip pencil. I'm gonna clean these brushes. I was using this to lay down my edges, but I'm just gonna trash that. Some kind of hair tie thing, but it's going in the trash. I love this Ulta primer. Almost out of that, so I need to repurchase. Oopsies. On that side, brushes on that side, brushes on that side. Oh, here's the Bite Beauty thing I was telling y'all about. It's so pretty. I don't know if you can see it, but it's a nice pink, and it is in the color Glace. I like it. That in there. I'm gonna put this collab under there. I need to wash this. I'm gonna put that right there. Over here, I'll just throw that MAC compact on top. Someone loves squeaky toys. We'll hold on to that just to trigger. This is washi tape that doesn't even need to be in here. These for Z palette, which I don't use. Okay, so guys, I think that is it. We kind of decluttered and got rid of a lot of junk from up here. I'm gonna keep cleaning around here, and I just kind of want to show you guys what I'm tossing out for 20. Oh, here's some more stuff I'm gonna get rid of. Some brushes and a liquid and a lip pencil that's too light. We'll put the perfumes in there. Yeah, we'll put perfumes on this side. Where's that perfume? Oh, one more. Alright guys, so it's somewhat cleaner than it was before. A lot of space for new makeup now. But yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed that super quick declutter, and now I'm going to clean the rest of the counter off and make it look nice and pretty. Alrighty, whew, so much better. So much winning. Alright guys, catch you in my next one. Bye!